Long ago, there lived a woman named Anaq, the daughter of Prophet Adam, peace be upon him. She was unlike anyone else, so tall that when she sat down, she would cover an area of nearly 60 yards. From her lineage came a giant named Ooj bin Anaq. Ooj was said to be nearly 70 feet tall. He lived for centuries, witnessing the times of several prophets. He was born before Prophet Idris, peace be upon him, survived the great flood during Prophet Nuh's, peace be upon him, era, and even lived until the time of Prophet Musa, peace be upon him. Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, himself was tall, about 12 cubits in height, and he carried a staff of the same length. According to the companion Abdullah ibn Masud, may Allah be pleased with him, when Musa, peace be upon him, leapt forward with his staff, he struck Ooj. Yet, despite Musa's incredible height and strength, his staff only managed to reach Ooj's ankle. That strike, however, was enough to bring an end to the life of this massive giant, Ooj bin Anaq.
Thank you for watching my video. I will be back with my new video. Follow me, you don't miss it, my new video. Thank you. Bye.